In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, small and medium-sized businesses are increasingly adopting artificial intelligence. Whether it's through AI-powered customer service chatbots, Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, or sophisticated supply chain tools, AI offers exciting opportunities for growth and efficiency. I'm Spencer with XBASE, Canada's #1 ranked MSP by the Channel Futures MSP 501 2 years running. In today's video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of AI while managing the risks effectively. For SMBs, AI adoption can be a double-edged sword. While it can accelerate growth, it also introduces risks that can be challenging to manage without the resources of a larger corporation. Let's consider this. You're an SMB using an AI-powered customer service chatbot to handle your client inquiries. If the chatbot provides incorrect information that leads to client financial loss, who's liable? Is it the company that the AI chatbot represents? Is it the developers of the AI software? Or is it the AI itself? Without clear accountability, SMBs can find themselves exposed to legal and reputational damages. Let's take a look at a real-world example that illustrates these risks. In 2023, Air Canada faced legal challenges after its chatbot provided incorrect information about the company's bereavement fare policy. A customer was misinformed that they could retroactively apply for a last-minute funeral travel discount, which contradicted the airline's actual policy. When taken to court, Air Canada argued that the chatbot was responsible for the misinformation, but the court held the company accountable instead. This is just one of the increasingly common cases which highlights that businesses are liable for their AI system's outputs, emphasizing the need for accurate and well-monitored AI customer service tools. As AI continues to evolve by leaps and bounds, it's important to take a step back and ensure you and your business are implementing it in a positive manner by taking the necessary precautions to prevent potential missteps. A few important things to keep in mind are 1. Transparency and disclosure statements, 2. Legal and compliance considerations, 3. Corporate policy, 4. AI insurance coverage, and 5. Assessing vendor AI usage. Let's get started by looking at the role that transparency plays in AI use. To mitigate potential exposure to liability, it's always a good idea to be upfront and transparent in disclosing the use of AI in business functions. Transparency is not just a regulatory requirement, it's also a trust-building practice. We recommend that SMBs inform their clients and customers when AI is being used, especially if it could impact them directly. This includes being upfront about AI's use in data handling, decision-making processes, and customer interactions. For instance, if you're using AI chatbots for customer service, disclosing this can prevent misunderstandings and allow customers to make informed choices about their interactions. Transparency helps build trust and differentiates you from businesses in a crowded market. As AI technologies become more prevalent, so do the regulations which govern their use. Laws such as the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, have strict provisions regarding automated decision-making and data handling. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines, which can be devastating for an SMB. In addition, proposed legislation like the Algorithmic Accountability Act in the US signals a move towards greater regulation in the space of AI. Even megacorporations like Microsoft include extensive verbiage cautioning users about the limitations and potential risks of AI outputs. They often stress the importance of human oversight and the need to verify AI-generated results, recognizing that AI is still an evolving field with uncertainties. Keeping up to date with local and international laws regarding AI use is vital as we navigate this new frontier. As a business leader, it's your responsibility to provide clear vision and direction to your team. Part of this is constructing policies and procedures. Like any other tool, it's essential to ensure your organization maximizes its effective use of AI while maintaining your customers' best interests in mind. When making new policies surrounding AI, consider the following. Number 1, responsibility and accountability. Develop internal policies that define how AI is used and provide a clear framework for decision-making and accountability. Number 2, ethical guidelines. AI can sometimes have certain biases in its interpretation of data and its responses. How can your organization remain mindful of this? Number 3, data security and privacy. How can your organization implement robust security measures to protect sensitive information from breaches and unauthorized access? Number 4, training and development. How can you prepare your team for changes in workflows due to AI implementation? It's important to support employees who may need some help adapting with the new roles and responsibilities as a result of AI. Given the potential risks associated with AI, many SMBs are considering AI insurance coverage options. Such insurance can provide protection against liabilities arising from AI-related errors, omissions, or failures. Insurance might include some of the following. 1. Errors and omissions, which can provide protection against claims of negligence or inadequate work stemming from AI outputs. 2. Cyber liability, so you have coverage for data breaches or cybersecurity attacks facilitated by AI vulnerabilities. 3. Protection against regulatory fines, such as financial support in the event of fines due to non-compliance with AI regulations. 4. Business interruption coverage in the form of compensation for losses resulting from AI system failures that disrupt operations. Investing in AI insurance coverage can be a prudent step in risk management. This can provide a safety net as you integrate AI technologies into your business. AI's influence extends beyond our direct customer interactions. It permeates the supply chain as well. Our vendors and suppliers might be using AI technologies with or without our knowledge, introducing risks that can impact our businesses. For example, if a supplier uses AI for inventory management and has a system failure, it could lead to a delayed shipment, which in turn means that you're delayed for your customers. This lack of visibility into the upstream use of AI can leave SMBs blindsided by issues they didn't anticipate. Engaging with our suppliers to understand how AI is being utilized in their processes is critical for mitigating potential risks. In an era where technology is a key driver of business growth, SMBs cannot afford to overlook the implications of AI. Our own industry experience has taught us over many years that it's important to balance innovation with caution. Even leaders such as XBASE must approach AI integration thoughtfully, acknowledging both its potential and its limitations. By embracing transparency, establishing robust accountability measures, staying informed about new regulations, and committing to ethical AI practices, you too can harness the power of AI responsibly. At XBASE, we're dedicated to supporting your journey and integration of AI. Our success is not measured just by our rankings, but by the trust and value we provide to our clients on a daily basis. Contact us today to learn more how we can help you integrate AI effectively.